Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you my 2-bedroom suite at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. Hello friends and fellow Universal fans. So I'm actually I got totally spoiled by Universal. I am in a 2-bedroom suite. So I can't wait to show you this because usually I'm not in this when I'm alone. So I can literally choose, there's 3 beds. I can choose which one I can sleep in every single night. I can just rotate around. So I'm gonna show you guys my 2-bedroom suite. This is gonna be a perfect option for larger families and for people on a budget because this is one of their value hotels. It's really an amazing hotel for the price point that you're gonna be staying in. So first thing, when you walk in, you are gonna see a mirror with some hanging hooks, and then you are going to see 2 queen beds. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? I just love the colors. Let me show you this paintings on the wall. It's huge, look how much room you have there. And then there is on the other side a TV and lots of different storage. Okay, then in that main room still, you have a table and chairs that looks like it seats about 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep. Because you got the bench and stuff. And then you have a little kitchenette over here. So you have a pretty decent sized fridge. It's definitely bigger than one of the ones that you're gonna get at just a standard hotel. You could definitely fit a gallon of milk in here. And then you have a microwave, and then lots of shelving, a little kitchen sink. Give you forks, coffee, condiments. Oh, that's so nice that you don't have to go and like buy ketchup and all that stuff. And then you have a Cuisinart coffee maker, which is really nice. And then in the main area here, you have the bathroom with double sinks. Hi. That's really nice with the double sinks. The thing I love about their countertops, look at this. There's little shells all throughout the countertop, and they just glisten and are subtle, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So here is the shower. You have a shower tub combo, so that's great for bathing the little ones. And then you have kind of like a rainfall shower head, which is really nice. And I love it when resorts put in these so that you have the option to hang up your wet bathing suits, because where else are you gonna put them, right? And I also love how Universal does this. They put specific shampoo and conditioners in the room to whatever resort you're at. So, you know, this one is themed surf and sand because we are at kind of like a surfing kind of vibe, you know? And so if you were at Cabana Bay, it would be a little bit more like Vidal Sassoon or something. So I love that. And then we go into the other room, which is another queen size bed. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you have a good sized closet there. And all of these resorts have the beds with kind of like, you know, the high up, so you can go ahead and put all your luggage in there. So it doesn't have to be taking up room. And I actually have a pool view room. So let's check that out. This is the pool at Dockside. So it's a little bit bigger than the Surfside pool. The Surfside one is almost has like a little splash area for little ones, and it's the shape of a surfboard. So this one doesn't have like a 0 entry. If you have little ones, maybe Surfside would be a little bit better for the pool, and just because it's a tinier resort. But Endless Summer is great too. Personally, I love both, so I would stay at either one, really. Then here is the TV for this room. It's also a really good size, lots of hooks. It's beautiful. I just love the colors here. It's blue, it's light, it's fresh, it's gorgeous. So that is Endless Summer 2-bedroom suite at Dockside. If you are thinking about going to Surfside, which is the sister resort, it's going to be very similar in layout and even probably in coloring and things like that. Little art pieces might be slightly different and things like that, but pretty much all the same. I really, really like these rooms. They're huge, they're bright, they're fresh. You have a really big fridge and just tons of seating. So this is a great option for larger families or even just families that maybe want to have a separate sleeping space from the kids. And the price point, because it is a value resort, is really good. This is probably one of the lower cost hotels you will find in all of Orlando. So for families thinking of visiting Universal, this would be an excellent option. Even staying here maybe for a longer stay and then going over to Disney, this would be a really good place to kind of use as your home base. Now, the negatives about this resort is because it is a value resort, not one of their premier resorts, you do not get the free express passes, but you can actually add on specific tickets that will give you those express passes. Usually those come out about 6 months before travel. So at first you might not be able to add on those type of tickets, but you probably will be able to later on if you book a Universal package. You might be wondering, Jamie, which one do I prefer between Surfside and Dockside? That's really tough. Okay, I stayed at Surfside first. So maybe that one is a little bit more near and dear to my heart. I find Surfside a little bit less busy and it's smaller. So you don't have to do as much walking and there's less people. So that one I probably would maybe go for a little bit more, but I wouldn't be mad to stay at either one, honestly. So one important thing to note is when you are staying at Endless Summer, that you cannot pool hop to any other of their premier or value resorts. You can only pool hop between Surfside and Endless Summer. Usually Universal is known for their pool hopping. They're very much like, it's totally allowed between the resorts, go ahead and pool hop. But that's kind of just their new rule because they don't want to get the pools overrun at the other resorts. So if you are staying here, you will not be able to pool hop to the other resorts, only its sister resort. And you want to make sure to have that Volcano Bay pass on so you can go experience that, because Volcano Bay is one of my favorite places. So I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time for watching. And if you are interested in a Universal vacation, you can contact me via email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through my website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. And even if you were thinking of just purchasing tickets for your next Universal vacation, when you actually book with me, you get the perk of early park admission, even if you aren't staying on the hotel. So that's a pretty sweet perk. So make sure if you are booking your next Universal vacation package or tickets, contact me, reach out, and I can help you get the most out of your next Universal vacation. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.